Masai Ujiri, Vice Chairman and President of the Toronto Raptors and founder of Giants of Africa.
Briefly tell us what is happening here today.
Uh, a year ago, a year and a half ago, when COVID started, the pandemic started, we were not able to come and do our basketball camps. We decided to start a program called Built Within, where we use some of the funds to build infrastructure. I called a couple of our engineering friends, Weber Construction, who's a former basketball player and an engineer, and told him I wanted to build a few courts on the continent. And we came over here, we chose a few sites, and we started a program where we're building infrastructure, going to schools, going to communities, and building basketball courts. It's a challenge for us, it's a challenge for everybody that now we have to invest in infrastructure on the continent, and this is what we wanted to start.
Nice one. What is the connection between Giants of Africa and the innovation of basketball court in Lagos?
Well, Giants of Africa were a foundation, that have done basketball camps, clinics. We've used basketball as a tool to grow and to build. And we're trying to build courts. And this is what we're trying to do. And whoever we can partner with, whoever we can grow with, institutions that we can grow with, we're open and we're ready, because kids need places like this to play. Yeah, it is. For us, it's an obligation. For me, it's an obligation with my job, where I am, with the growth of so many basketball players from Nigeria, the talent on the continent, especially in Nigeria. I think we need to build more infrastructure.
Is there any way this can be done in other parts of Nigeria?
Yes, we're going to move, we're going to grow. We wanted to start in Lagos here, and we're going to move to other parts, for sure. I'm from the north, I grew up on the north, and there will be projects there will be projects in the east, and we'll continue to grow slowly and steadily.
So what do you think will be the impact of this gesture to Nigerian basketball as a whole?
No, generally it's for youth to grow, youth to find a place to play. When I was growing up, we had the access to an unbelievable basketball court in Ahmadu Bello University, and that's where I grew up playing about becoming a basketball player, learning to play the game. And it gave me access. It gave me access to people, gave me access to education, gave me access to an unbelievable game that totally changed my life. And I believe sports can change a lot of youth's life. They don't have to be basketball players. They can end up working in everything that they want to do and use sports, like as a pathway for them. And I think that's where the hit is going to be. It's going to be with the youth, and they're going to continue to grow.
Then finally, the standard of basketball in Nigeria is poor. What can be done to address this situation?
This right here. You see this court? It's a high standard. It's a good standard of basketball courts. We model it. People see. They follow it. And we continue to grow. Build this all over schools. Imagine what will come out of this. So we have to build. We can do this. This is done by a Nigerian engineer. We can do this all over the country. We can do this all over the state. We just have to invest in it. So we're going to convince a lot of schools to invest in basketball courts like this.
So what are the challenges? How will you get through it?
Well, challenges are challenges. Challenges are what you want challenges to be, right? Like we have to face them and go through them.